Stop whatever you are doing and do not even think about buying an Apple TV right now. Seriously, if you have one in your cart, empty it. The forgotten black box that has been collecting dust under your television is about to get the single biggest hardware rip and replace in Cupertino's history. For years, this thing was basically a ghost. Apple poured billions into spatial computing and mobile tech, while the Apple TV sat there with an ancient chip struggling to keep up. But Mark Gurman just dropped a massive bomb in his latest newsletter, confirming what many of us suspected. Panic mode has officially set in, and the long period of silence is over. Apple is gearing up for a monumental summer launch, and what is inside this new box changes absolutely everything. Let's break down exactly why this is happening right now. It all comes down to two words: Apple Intelligence. Right now, Apple is frantically pushing artificial intelligence into every single corner of the Apple ecosystem. They want AI on your iPhone, your iPad, and your Mac. But they hit a brick wall in the living room. The current Apple TV is running on the A15 Bionic chip. Honestly, when it came out, it was totally fine. It chewed through 4K streams and loaded apps without breaking a sweat. But today, the A15 is a dinosaur. It completely lacks the neural processing power and unified memory required to run Apple's new heavy local language models. Think about how embarrassing this is for Apple. Your phone can intelligently summarize your entire day, but the expensive box connected to your main home screen is completely blind. You cannot build a connected smart home if the central hub is living in the past. To fix this massive gap, the supply chain is moving fast. Ming-Chi recently detailed that Apple is pulling a massive hardware lever. They are totally skipping multiple processor generations and slamming the A17 Pro chip directly into the next Apple TV. Yes, the exact same piece of cutting-edge silicon that powers their high-end mobile devices. Are you guys ready to finally throw away your old Apple TV boxes for an A17 Pro model? Or is the price going to hold you back? Let me know down in the comments, because this chip swap is a entirely different beast when you plug it into a wall. When you put an A17 Pro inside an iPhone, it runs fast, but it constantly fights thermal throttling and battery drain. But a streaming box has a constant wall power source and way more physical space for heat dissipation. Apple can let that 3nm chip run at its absolute maximum potential forever. DG Times has been tracking TSMC 3nm yields, and they suggest Apple is allocating serious volume for this home hub. We're talking about raw, unleashed processing power. The upgraded neural engine means the Apple TV will finally process complex AI commands right on the device. No more waiting for server ping times. Siri is finally going to stop being incredibly frustrating. We have all been there, yelling at our TVs because Siri fails at basic logic. With local AI processing, you will not have to memorize specific movie titles anymore. You can just talk normally. You could literally say, "Find that sci-fi movie where the guy is stuck on a desert planet, but only show options on streaming services I already pay for." The AI handles the context instantly. But the internal guts are only half the story. The physical design of the Apple TV is finally getting ripped apart. The current design is just a thick, boring block of black plastic. When you set it next to a sleek aluminum Mac or a titanium iPhone, it looks cheap. It feels like an afterthought that you want to hide behind your TV stand. Shrimp Apple Pro has been very vocal about Cupertino's new industrial design plans, pointing to a complete abandonment of that cheap plastic shell. We are looking at a premium aluminum enclosure. This perfectly aligns with reports from Mac-Otakara, indicating that Apple wants this to look like a high-end piece of consumer electronics again. And get this, for the first time in over a decade, you might actually get a color choice. We are hearing strong whispers about a stunning gray aluminum finish that perfectly matches modern MacBooks and iPads. It might seem like a minor cosmetic tweak, but psychologically, it is huge. It completely justifies the infamous Apple tax. It tells consumers this is a brand new era, not just another recycled black box. Now, let's talk about the real game, Sean. Actual, legitimate gaming on your television. For years, Apple treated gaming on the big screen as a casual hobby. You played some basic Apple Arcade ports, and that was it. But the A17 Pro changes the entire equation. One of the biggest advantages of this silicon is hardware-accelerated ray tracing. We are talking about advanced rendering tech that simulates real-world lighting, reflections, and shadows. The ELEC recently corroborated supply chain movements indicating enhanced display output capabilities for this exact purpose. Until very recently, you needed a massive dedicated gaming rig to handle ray tracing. Now, that graphical horsepower is baked into Apple's silicon. Because the box is plugged into the wall, that GPU can sustain peak performance indefinitely. We already saw major AAA titles like Resident Evil Village and Death Stranding ported to mobile hardware. Now, imagine those exact same titles running natively on your television, with zero thermal throttling, rendering complex visuals in real time. This is Apple actively positioning the new TV as a true daily driver for console-style gaming. So when is this monster actually dropping? The timing is tied directly to the software. Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference is right around the corner. Ross Young has hinted at massive display tech pushes aligning with this summer window. Apple cannot possibly stand on a stage, show developers a beautiful AI-powered future for the living room, and then tell them to wait until next year for the hardware. They need a blank canvas out in the wild immediately. A summer launch gives developers the exact hardware they need to build next-generation TV apps, and it gives early adopters time to integrate the ultimate smart home companion before the holiday rush. The forgotten box is finally stepping out of the shadows, and honestly, I'll believe it when I see it, but the supply chain does not lie. The living room is about to get very interesting.